This is your homework helper, Mrs. Anderson. Today I will help you with Lesson 9, Volume of Prisms. Please have your homework page ready and let's begin. Okay, on our homework helper, it gives us the formula to figure out the volume of the prism. And that formula is volume equals length times width times height. The other formula, is volume equals base times height, and base is length times width. So we have two different formulas. So when we look at this one here, we have a length, a width, and a height. So this is length times width times height. So we multiply all three of these numbers together, and since this is a three-dimensional object, okay, we'll have 624 when we multiply it together, and this is measured in centimeters. And then after the answer, we put a 3, and this represents a cube. It's a three-dimensional object. Okay, so when we do volume where we do base times height, the base should already be written as to the second power or squared because it's talking about the two-dimensional shape of a square. So here, when you find the volume of each prism, you're going to multiply all three numbers together, and if you want to use a calculator, that is fine. To multiply all three numbers, then you'll write the answer down, and remember to write that this is yards, and then you write 3 to tell that it's cubic yards. Here, you have your base, and you can see the base is already written as squared or talking about a square. And then once we multiply these together, then it's talking about a cube. So you'll write centimeters, and then you'll write a 3 for cube. Okay, fill in the blank with the correct term or number to complete the sentence. Volume is measured in blank units. It's measured in cubic units. It could be cubic yards or cubic centimeters or cubic feet, but it is measured in cubic units. The Donaldson swimming pool measures 15 meters long, 8 meters wide, and 3 meters deep. How many cubic meters of water will the pool hold? We know that volume is length times width times height. You're going to multiply all three of those numbers, and this is cubic meters. So we're going to write meters, and then we'll put a 3 right here to say that it's meters cubed. The hotel that the Hutchin family is staying at on vacation is shaped like a rectangular prism. It is 234 feet long, 158 feet wide, and 37 feet tall. What is the volume of the hotel? We'll multiply those three numbers together. This is feet, so we'll put feet here, and we are talking about cubes, our three-dimensional object, so we'll put a 3 here. Jenna keeps her recipes in a box with dimensions 7 inches by 5 inches and 4 inches. What is the volume of the box? You'll multiply those three numbers together and end with inches cubed, okay, or meaning a cube or three-dimensional cube. Describe the dimension of two different prisms that each have a volume of 2,400 cubic centimeters. You don't need to do this one. What is the volume of the prism formed by the luggage bag? You'll need to multiply all three numbers together to get your answer. Thanks for watching this homework helper video. If you have questions, feel free to ask me tomorrow in class.